Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can fix the problem is that YouTube is not working on your iPhone. First of all, you have to do that is you have to just go back and just go to the main interface of your iPhone and just find settings and just go to settings and just go back to the main interface of your settings of your iPhone just like that. And you have to do that is you have to just connect with your internet connection. So I'm going to connect with the mobile data. So I have a mobile data connection, so I'm going to connect with the mobile data. If you have a Wi-Fi connection, just connect with your Wi-Fi. After that, just go and just scroll down and just find a VPN. If you connect with the VPN, just disconnect it from here. Just tap on VPN and just disconnect it from here. After, just go back and just go to general. Just tap on general and just go to software update. If you have a latest iPhone, just update to the latest iOS version. After, just go back and just go to iPhone storage. Just tap on it and just find your YouTube just like that and just tap on it and just click on offload app and just offload the app and again install it from here. If your problem is not gonna fix, then we have to do that is just go to the app store and just again uninstall it and again install it from them. So that's it, a setting you have to do that. After that, just go back and just scroll down and just go to transfer reset iPhone. Just tap on it and just tap on reset and just reset the network setting of your iPhone. So that's it, a video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.